welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with my Cricut. So I'm going to be experimenting a little bit because I wanted to try to personalize my luggage. I wonder if it's going to work. I don't see why not, but then again, it might be a complete fail or it might be awesome. Either way, this video will show us something, right? We'll learn something from it. We'll either learn to not try this or totally try this. So let's see what happens. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to write my last names. And I'll show you with LUGGAGE. I'm going to switch it to my favorite font ever. I seriously use it for everything. It's called Vampire Calligraphy. So I'm going to make it bigger because it just makes it easier for me to work with. Then I'm going to click Advanced, and then Ungroup Letters. Since it's script, I want these to be together. Some of them are even going to be overlapping a little bit. Like so. Now if I want to align them at the bottom, then I just select all, align bottom. This doesn't always work, it really depends on your font. Then I'm going to select all, and I'm going to weld. This is a super important step. So down here I have two paws that I want to put on the sides with our phone numbers on them instead of putting like a luggage tag. I won't show you the phone number, but I'll show you on another page how I did it. These are just images that I uploaded. I've used this one quite a few times. So I'll show you with like my name what I did, and I'll use a simpler font that I don't have to mess with. Okay, so I'm going to change colors just so it's easier to see. So I just put the number where it fit, and then I selected all, and I pushed slice down here. Now if you move the red and then you move it, it sliced this out. So that's how the paw looks, except it has our phone numbers on them. Don't forget to mirror your images when you're using HTV. Now I have to weed this. My Cricut weeding tool kind of, can you see how it kind of folded now? So it's actually hard to use. But I got these at Harbor Freight, and I've never actually gotten to use them, so these might actually work. And they were super cheap too. Ow! And super sharp. Oh my gosh. But I remember when this one was super sharp. Okay, let's just do this. I'll be back when I'm done. This is 1 out of 2 sheets. Okay, so I'm done weeding them, and I'm kind of laying them out to plan out how I'm going to press them. So I think they're looking pretty good. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. This is the part that I was nervous about. I'm on the floor. I put a towel at the bottom. This is how my setup is right now. Anytime I press anything, I always put parchment paper on top. This is the one I use. I believe this is from Dollar Tree, to be honest. Would you look at that? I like it. Okay, everyone, so I am really loving how this came out. I am so happy with the results. Nothing burned. Everything is still so I did the easy press. I put it on 350. I pressed them and nothing burned. Thank goodness. Everything still looks really good. And this is what my luggage looks like. So now it's going to be easy to find it. I still need to do the pause on the side. I just was not going to show you that because it has my phone number on it. But yeah, I love it. And I'm really excited to keep putting stuff on them. So yeah, guys, that's my short video for today. I hope it helps you. If you want to decorate your luggage, you know it's possible. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.